I got this new, they call it the North Water Sea Kayak under deck bag for my kayak. I've got a 17-foot Old Town kayak. It's in my garage, so it's a little bit, sorry it's so dark, but this is the under deck bag. I just finished hooking it up. I had to let that, you have to get it Marine Adhesive, and then I got some from West Marine from 3M. Cost about 10 bucks. But you can see it's in there. There's these little plastic circular points where you mount it and you glue it. Of course you can see, I mean, all it is just a little pocket inside. So you can put, I was thinking about putting a water bladder and then maybe sliding the straw like on the top to sit there so I can sip from. But it's not too big, but it's enough for like at least a nice little size water bladder. So, but you can see it's got mesh right here at the bottom to drain any water. So, but you can see where it sits in between your legs where my cockpit is. So that's my flashlight. But you can see where my seat is. So it sits underneath here. So, but I haven't seen too many reviews out there, so I figured I'd post one. So far so good. I haven't actually used it, but been out in the water just yet. So the adhesive just dried. I think it said 24 hours. I think there's a couple different ones you can get. This one was 24-hour drying. So, but we'll see.